Birth anniversary of Lord Buddha being celebrated across the state. And state government should be more sensitive about the issue of farmer suicide in the state, says NCP chief Sharad Pawar. Thank you. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I'm Mamta Bhatt and now news in detail. Buddha Purnima, the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha, is being celebrated with great joy and fervor in the state. Buddha Purnima is also known as Vaishak or Vaishaka. Buddhist devotees have organized various events in Mumbai. An event was organized at Anand Bahujan Vihar, where flowers were offered to the statue of Lord Buddha and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Likewise, in Nagpur, a large number of devotees gathered and celebrated the day. Nanded district also saw celebrations where songs sung of different preaching of Lord Buddha. Similar celebrations were seen in Aurangabad, Pune and Kolhapur districts of the state.
स्वयं दीपवो गौतम बुद्धाचा संदेश सांगू चला रे गौतम बुद्धाचा संदेश सांगू चला रे बोध ज्ञानाचा देऊ चला रे बोध
Union Minister for Shipping, Road and Transport Nitin Gadkari dedicated the scanning machine. National Highway Authority of India has developed a road survey ambulance scan machine that comprises of a technology by New Zealand. The technology is a revolutionary in infrastructure sector, road construction and repair work. Errors related to construction can be easily tracked through the machine and information can be availed through satellite. Gadkari stated that 1 lakh kilometer data will be available to government through the technology.
रोड टेक्नोलॉजी के इसमें ये सबसे अच्छा इक्विपमेंट है जो रोड की कंडीशन और रोड के बाजू में अतिक्रमण कितना है, रोड की लाइन कितनी है, ट्रैफिक कितना है, पेड़ कितने लगे हुए हैं, रोड का पूरा स्क्रीनिंग करके जैसे एक्सरे से हमको जानकारी मिलती है वैसे रोड की पूरी जानकारी मिलेगी और इसमें जीपीएस सिस्टम है और सैटेलाइट से जुड़ा हुआ है जो भारत का गगन सैटेलाइट है.
Similarly, as a part of UN Global Road Safety Week beginning from today, the ACC Cement launched Save Kids Lives campaign at its headquarters in Mumbai. The campaign aims to enhance road safety awareness and help prevent accidents involving children on the road. An NCP chief Sharad Pawar today stated that administration and the state government should be more sensitive about the issue of farmer suicide in the state. He added that the ratio of farmer suicide is higher in Marathwada in comparison to other regions. The main reason being water should be resolved at the earliest. Sharad Pawar was speaking at a press conference held today at Aurangabad after the inauguration of Yashwantrao Chauhan's statue. Meanwhile, he also stated that government will be awarding Babasaheb Purandare for his work. He said that though he is not an historian, but he has done some work which is beneficial for the society. He further added that Jitendra Awad's statement on Purandare is his personal point of view and not party's view.
कसं आहे की ते काही हिस्टोरियन नव्हते असं जे त्याच्यात म्हणले त्याच्याशी मी सहमत आहे पण शिवसेनेच्या लोकांच्या समोर सातत्यानं मांडण्याच्या संबंधीची त्यांनी जी भूमिका घेतली त्याला राज्य सरकारने त्याचा पुरस्कार केलेला ते मांडत होते त्याच्यात काही वादच नाही त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी आयुष्यभरचे काम केलेलंच आहे असं राज्य सरकारला वाटत असेल हे काम राज्याच्या दृष्टीने महत्त्वाचं आहे त्यांनी त्याचा निकाल केला, त्यांचा अधिकार आहे.
State Education Minister Vinod Tawade today attacked NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, saying that the concern shown by Pawar about farmers through his current statement should have been shown 15 years back when their alliance was in power. If he would have done this, the ratio of farmer suicide would have gone down. Tawade was speaking at a press conference in Ratnagiri district. While addressing the conference, he also said that government is trying to make 5,000 villages drought-free in state. He also added that farmers are in trouble due to unseasonal rain and government is dedicated to solve this problem. Meanwhile, he appealed the farmers should not take such a drastic step as suicide and should not lose patience. And Maharashtra Minister of State for Home Ram Shinde assured that the police jawans who fight the Naxals will be soon provided with high-quality, lightweight polymer bulletproof jacket. He was speaking at Gadchiroli district in Maharashtra. Shinde added that current jackets weigh 7 kgs and taking into consideration the difficulties Jawan go through, state government is planning to provide the jacket. A proposal is under consideration of the state government for providing houses to the Naxalites who have surrendered, he added. Shinde was talking to media after paying a visit to families of retired police Jawans in Gadchiroli district. Well, that's it then in this edition of Metro Scan from Mumbai. Thanks for watching. Namaskar. It's over to Delhi studios.